Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can quickly call for help on your iPhone or enable the emergency SOS service on your iPhone and how you can use it. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to your settings just swipe up and you see that there is an option of emergency SOS under the face ID and passcode. Just tap on it. You see that there are two built-in options, like you can just hold your power button and volume button and it will automatically go to that screen, just like this. Just hold your power button from right side and hold your volume button for a moment, press like this, and our emergency call service will come up. Another thing, just tap 5 times your power button and an emergency screen will like this come up. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this will come up. So that's how you can actually make a call to your emergency. Another thing, that if your car is just crashed, iPhone will detect the crash and automatically call to the emergency number. You just need to set up the emergency contact in your health list, and you can create a medical ID. It's a very useful feature. You can just adjust it accordingly and put all the necessary details, and a number will come up here under the emergency SOS services. Okay, it can be your friend, family, or emergency specific insurance company that you have set up. That ambulance will directly to your location. I hope this video is helpful, and this is very important video for your privacy and security. This feature make iPhone distinctive from others. I hope you liked the video, and please watching our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.